And welcome to Google Classroom. In this session we're going to show you how to install the Paintology app. For that you must have a phone or a tablet that uses the Android platform. And in this case I have my Android Galaxy Tab. So firstly we need to go to the Play Store. If you haven't done so, you'll have a web in order to go to the Play Store and sign up. But most of us will have the Play Store icon, as you can see in the middle here. So you simply click on that, and then in the search box type in Paintology, and you'll be given a suggestion. If not, just click on Paintology, and then you'll be taken straight to the Paintology, the app section here. And then here you can see there are reviews here and the number of downloads. So go ahead and click on install. Okay, so we're going to now click on open. And you'll be presented with this first screen, which is the native language that you're comfortable with. We'll go ahead and keep English as default. And you'll come to this home page. Here, most of the work is done for you. All you need to do is make the selections and use various areas of the Paintology app. The first section is tutorials. We won't focus on that. But in order to start drawing, we simply click on draw, and then you'll be presented with 4 various modes of drawing. You choose blank canvas for now, and then you'll be asked to access photos, medias and files. Go ahead and click on allow, and here is the canvas. So it's very simple user interface which you can easily grasp. So we have haze dark as one of the brush tools, and as you can see I can change the brush size here, and then you've got this red color that I have here, and you can go and choose any colors, and of course the brush size, and you can vary the opacity by increasing, decreasing the density or hardness. So you can see that behaves like, H1B, H2B brushes. So you can increase that, and you can see corresponding increase in the density here. So this really, in essence, is what you need to make remarkable drawings, something that you can be very happy and proud of with your progress throughout these classroom tutorials that I'm going to provide. So until another session, I'll see you again. Thank you.